So hi, my name is Cherry, and I'll be presenting problem number 17 on behalf of the Swedish team. So the task is not complicated task, that's a very extensive task. We have first to present an experiment to view shock timings using standard equipment. Then we have to understand what are the relevant parameters in the formation and the observation of this phenomena. Then we have to investigate the dependence of these relevant parameters on the observed patterns. And finally, we kind of have to propose the method to what are the properties that we can deduce from the observation we made. So, our reporting will be in four steps. First, we explain the basic phenomena. We have basic explanation of phenomena, how they form, the shock timing, how they form. Then we have the experimental setup and how we observe them. Finally, we have the experiment we did with the reported parameters, and finally we come to certain conclusions. So the basic explanation for the formation of shock diamonds is, well, I'm simplifying things here, but shock diamonds are patterns that are absorbed in supersonic flow. And what happens is that when we have a supersonic flow, it's known in common literature that if the nozzle is overextended, this leads to the formation of oblique shocks in the exit of the nozzle. These oblique shocks would interact with each other, forming, like there are this thick lines. They interact with each other, forming other oblique shocks that interact actually with the side slip line formed by the exit of the fact that we have a constant pressure outside the nozzle, forming more expansion wave. So this leads basically to compression, then expansion, compression, and expansion of the gas. And the zones where actually we have the compression basically lead to the heating of the gas and the emission of the radiation, and that's what we can observe. So there are, this phenomenon has been studied a lot in the literature, mainly by Holt and Mayer, and Mayer was the first person to actually view the shock diamonds using steering method. So the other phenomena, actually, if the nozzle is extremely expanded, what will happen is that the flow actually will not be able to redress itself only using oblique shocks. So that's why we'll have sort of normal shock, which is represented here with the red line, that will lead actually the same observation, but instead of having diamonds, we'll have sort of trapezing, like half pipe. So basically, the shape here depends on the state of the nozzle, whether or not it is expanded, whether or not it is slightly overexpanded or extremely overexpanded. So first thing, actually, we need to kind of design a nozzle that will give us a very good supersonic flow. So we started with studying a very basic model, 1D model, that actually gave us very good insight on the most important parameters on which our design had to be. And mainly we broke down to two parameters. First was the area ratio, which actually would fix the exit Mach number with regards to that equation. And then we have the pressure ratio, which basically will give us the regime of the nozzle, either it's overexpanded or underexpanded. Then we actually did a sort of CFD, computational dynamics simulation, in order to know what are the optimal design, like length and the diameter of the nozzle for a given regime. So our design parameters were the temperature at the ambient temperature, 200 Kelvin, then the pressure of 5 atmosphere, and the diameter of the throat of 2 millimeters. And we found that the optimal length would be 6 millimeters, the exit diameter would be 4 millimeters, and then this will give us an exit Mach number equal to 2 and the pressure ratio equals to 1. So, in order to do the diamonds, we used the Schlieren method in order to observe the variation of the optical index in the gas, since we have here compression and expansion of the gas successively, and this method is very useful in that case. So we had a collimated helium-neon laser that goes to a sort of lens with carbon aids, and we use that with the camera. So this was our setup with the nozzle that is here in the testing area. We load the laser, and then we have the imaging setup over there. So now we can see what will happen. So we put the area ratio was calculated as before, the pressure ratio was varied between 1 and 8, and here we see like the shock diamonds were formed using the setup that we made. So here actually the pressure were varied from 1, the pressure ratio was varied from 1 to 8. So now we were kind of investigating parameters, actually identified 3 more important parameters here concerning the design. The first one is the area ratio, then the pressure ratio, and the third one was the divergence angle. So the area ratio was between 1, 25 and 16, the pressure between 1 and 8, and divergence between 6 and 20 degrees. So here, what actually was very important in our analysis is that we kind of the patterns are periodic. So we try to propose a very simplistic theoretical model in order to determine this, the period of these patterns. So basically the assumption is that we have a very gas that is fully expanded. This way we can actually perturbate the Euler equation and have like a wave propagation and derive the wave propagation from these equations. And using that, we kind of got a theoretical expression of the period of the diamond that is given by this expression. However, when actually calculating the exact Mach number, experimentally we found that, well, it doesn't, that the ratio between the diameter and the period doesn't vary a lot with regards to the exact Mach number, but the theory, give us a different variation. And this, we suspect that here we have a kind of, the viscosity of the fluid is very important, it's very prominent. That's why we have this disagreement between the theory and the expression. The second thing is that in our theory, we actually took slight variation, perturbation of the pressure. But here in our experiment, we have very, the variation of pressure is more important. And yes. So now we're going to investigate the impact of the pressure on the period. So we can see here that we vary the pressure between 1 and 8 atmosphere, and we found like we have a linear dependency over the ratio of the length and the diameter, and this is actually what was expected from the understanding of the shock wave, since higher pressure will lead to, will actually push the diamond further, leading actually to a higher period. And what is limited actually for the number of the patterns, observed patterns, is basically turbulence. Because this is an image taken from an article by David Monday in 2014, where it shows that the shock diamond's core, like you can observe it here, from 0 to 8, but then from 8 to 22, so ratio to 8 and 22, we have actually turbulence that is very prominent. So understanding how turbulence is spread inside of the flow is very important, and it's very limited to the number of the shock diamonds. So this is what it did. We started to calculate the length of the core, the potential core, which is actually the distance to which the turbulence is not prominent and have really a very nice supersonic flow. And we saw that basically we have that this ratio will be actually linearly dependent on the pressure ratio. And also, there is, when we compared the experimental result with the theoretical by varying the Mach number, we saw that there is a very good fit. Yes. There is a very good fit. And then the problem is now, when we investigated last the condivergence angle, and in that case, what happened actually, we saw that there is not a big impact of the convergence actually at very low angle, but if the rule is we shouldn't actually go for a higher angle because this leads to separation of flow, like at around 7. We went to 20, and actually this picture actually shows what happens with an angle divergence angle equals to 20, and we see clearly that the flow separates, and we don't see very nice picture. So basically now, to end the presentation, the number of patterns can be approximated by the ratio between the length of the potential core and the period. And when we compare the experimental results with theory, we kind of have very good fit, which is in the error region.